Hello dear students, welcome to Nehat's Maths Academy. In this video, let's study examples on commission, brokerage and premium. Before that, let's revise some terms. Cost price. It is denoted by CP, the total amount paid for purchasing an article, transport charges, octroi, etc. is called cost price of that article. Mark price. It is denoted by MP. The price of an article which is printed in the price list or catalog so as to ensure that the consumer gets the article at that price is called marked price or list price or catalog price. Selling price. It is denoted by SP. Total amount realized by selling an article is called selling price of that article. Commission. The remuneration paid by manufacturer to the agent is called as commission. A commission agent involved in selling of goods normally gets commission from manufacturer only. But commission agents involved in selling shares or vehicles charge commission to both the parties, buyer and seller. This type of commission is called brokerage. So this is the main difference between commission and brokerage. If only commission is there, that agent gets commission from manufacturer only. But the problem is for brokerage, that broker gets commission from both the parties, that is buyer as well as seller. Commission is always paid on selling price. Note this. Examples. First example. A commission agent gets 12% commission up to a sale of rupees 30,000 and 15% on the sales exceeding rupees 30,000. In a month, his sales are rupees 67,000. Find his commission. Read the question carefully. That commission agent is getting 12% commission up to sales of rupees 30,000 and 15% on the sales exceeding 30,000. And in that month, his sales are rupees 67,000. Find his commission. So the total amount of commission on rupees 30,000 at 12% is 12% of 30,000, that is rupees 3600. Since the total sale is 67,000 in that month, the sale exceeding rupees 30,000 is 67,000 minus 30,000, that is 37,000. So as given in the question, he gets 15% on the sales exceeding 30,000. So 15% of 37,000 is rupees 550. Hence, the total commission earned by that agent is rupees 3600 plus 550, that is rupees 9150. Next example. The rate of commission is increased from 5% to 8%. Still, the income of an agent remains the same. Find the percent change in his sales. Suppose that originally the sale of the agent was rupees 100. Therefore, his commission at 5% was rupees 5. Let the sale of the agent now be X because his sale is increased now. Therefore, his commission at 8% would be 8x upon 100 because his rate of commission is increased from 5% to 8%. So, new rate of commission is 8%, it is 8x upon 100. So, this is same as earlier commission, that is rupees 5. So, equate both the things, that is 8x upon 100 equals to 5. So, by doing cross multiplication, we will get x is equal to 100 into 5, 500 upon 8. So, 500 upon 8, 62.5. So, this now his sale is rupees 62.50. Therefore, there is a reduction of 100 minus 62.5 because 100 was the original sale and 62.5 is new sale. So 37.5% is reduction in his sales. Next question. The salary of a salesman was reduced from rupees 3,000 to rupees 2,500, but his rate of commission increased from 2.5% to 3%. Due to this, his income is increased by rupees 100 than in previous month. Find his sales in the month. The salary of the salesman is increased by rupees 500 because his salary is reduced from 3,000 to 2,500. That means his salary is decreased by rupees 500. But still his income increased by rupees 100. This means that there is net rise of rupees 600 in his income. 500 plus 100. So net rise is rupees 600. This has taken place due to rise in the rate of commission, which is 0.5%. Means his rate of commission is increased by 0.5%. Therefore, his salary is increased by rupees 100 than previous salary. So this and that 0.5% corresponds to sales of rupees 600. Then 100% commission will correspond to sales of rupees X. Just equate these things. 0.5% corresponds to 600. Then 100% will correspond to how much rupees? That we have to find. So we can find this by dividing these two quantities. 0.5 upon 100 is equal to 600 upon X. So by just doing cross multiplication, we will get X is equal to 1,20,000. That means his sales in the month is rupees 1,20,000. Next example. Cheese scooters were sold through an agent for rupees 20,000, rupees 16,800 and rupees 15,000 respectively. The rate of commission were 15% on the first and 12% on the second. If on the whole, the agent received a commission of rupees 14%. Find the commission received by him on the third scooter. See, we have given selling price of all three scooters. Also, rate of commission for the first scooter is 15% and for the second it is 12%. We don't know rate of commission for third scooter, that's what we have to find. But they have given us total commission, means average commission rate, that is 14%. So let's find rate of commission for third scooter. The commission on first scooter at 15% is 20,000 into 15%, that is 15 upon 100 is equal to 3,000. And the commission on second scooter at 12% rate is 16,800 into 12 upon 100, that is 2,060. Therefore, total commission on two scooters is 3,000 plus 2,016 is equal to 5,016. The total selling price of these three scooters, it is rupees 20,000 plus 16,800 plus 15,000. That is equal to 51,800. Now, the agent receives a commission on this at 14% rate. So, we have to find 14% of total selling price. Therefore, 14 upon 100 into 51,800. That is 7252. So, commission on third scooter is total commission minus commission of first scooter plus commission on second scooter. That is rupees 2236. The third scooter is sold for rupees 15,000. Therefore, rate of commission is 100 into 2236 upon 15,000, which is 14.91% approximately. Next example. A commission agent is paid a fixed monthly income plus commission on the sales at a fixed percent of sales. If in 2 successive months, his incomes are rupees 4,406 and rupees 5,555 respectively, and the sales in these 2 months are rupees 46,350 and rupees 65,500. Find his monthly salary and rate of commission. Read the question carefully. That commission agent is paid a fixed monthly income plus commission on the sales at a fixed percent of sales. If in 2 successive months his incomes are 4,406 and rupees 5,555 respectively, and the sales in these 2 months are given to be rupees 46,250 and rupees 65,500. We have to find his monthly salary and rate of commission. So let the monthly salary of the agent be rupees X and the rate of commission be Y%. Therefore, on the sale of rupees 46,350, his total income will be X plus 463.5Y is equal to 4406. See, this X is monthly salary plus, see, they have given us his income is 4406, but income is equal to salary plus commission. So salary is X and this is the commission. Commission, Y% commission is there. So it is 46350 into Y%. It is 463.5 into Y. That is equal to 4406. And second equation for second month, his income on the sale of rupees 65,500 would be X plus 655Y is equal to 4 times 5. Now solve these two equations simultaneously to get values of X and Y. So by subtracting 1 from 2, we will get, see, X minus X will get cancelled. 655 minus 463.5 will be 191.5. Y as it is equal to 5,555 minus 4,406 is 1149. So by dividing 191.5 to the right side, we will get the value of Y to be 6. Now substitute this value of Y in either equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value of X. So by substituting this value in equation 2, we will get X plus 3930 is equal to 5 times 5,555. So X is equal to 1625. This, the monthly salary is rupees 1625 and the rate of commission is 6%.